In today's video, we're excited to show you how to make a beautiful decorative piece using fresh cucumbers and carrots. It's a simple yet eye-catching craft perfect for parties, special occasions, or even as a stunning table centerpiece. First, we carefully slice the cucumbers and carrots into thin, round pieces. We then arrange these slices horizontally all around the outer edge of our decoration to form a lovely layered pattern. The alternating green and orange colors create a vibrant and refreshing look. Next, we focus on the lower part of the decoration, where we place additional carrot pieces. We carve and shape these pieces to add an elegant design, giving extra texture and depth to the arrangement. The final result is a charming and colorful decoration that's both beautiful and unique. It's amazing how simple vegetables like cucumbers and carrots can be transformed into such creative art. Watch the full video to see each step and learn how to create this cute decoratio.